Understanding Masonry Chisel, an essential tool for building and crafting. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific term used in construction and crafting: masonry chisel. This video will help you understand what a masonry chisel is, its uses, and why it's important in certain trades. Whether you're a language learner, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious, this video is for you. A masonry chisel is a tool used for cutting and shaping stone, brick, concrete, and other hard materials. It typically consists of a long metal blade with a sharp edge at one end and a handle at the other. The blade's material is usually steel, designed to withstand the force needed to break through tough materials. Masonry chisels come in various sizes and shapes, depending on their specific use. Masonry chisels are essential tools in construction and masonry work. They are used for carving and shaping stone for building or artistic purposes, cutting bricks or blocks to size in construction, removing old mortar during renovation or repair work, sculpting and engraving in artistic stonework. Each of these uses requires precision and skill, making the masonry chisel an indispensable tool for masons and builders. While a masonry chisel is a valuable tool, it's important to use it safely and maintain it properly. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from flying debris. Hold the chisel firmly and strike it with a mallet, not a regular hammer, for better control and safety. Regularly sharpen the blade to ensure clean cuts and reduce the effort needed. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a masonry chisel is and its importance in the world of construction and crafting. Remember, a masonry chisel is more than just a tool, it's a means to shape and build the world around us. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy learning!